Good morning everyone. So in this video I am going to show you how to take a switch configuration backup. So usually this is a day-to-day task which we require to do it, and for this we require to take any manually we can do it, or as well as we can use some of the another third-party tool. Now we will see how this configuration backup of any switch or the router we can do it from this Ansible automation devices. So let's open this Ansible device. So this is my Ansible server. So let's verify what all devices I have included here. So if you can see here, we configured this Ansible device. On top of it, there are some of the variables which required to configure, which required for the Ansible to use this variable and jump into the any of the network device, which I mentioned at the bottom. So as this router statement I mentioned hash here, so it means that is commented. So while execution, so this router will not be considered. Only these two switches are going to be considered and take a backup, which I mentioned here. And the name of the switches I mentioned here, switch 11 and switch 22. That can be anything. It doesn't matter what the switch host name actually it is. So in our playbook, we are going to execute and take a backup of these two files, these two devices. And once this configuration backup has been done, the file which are going to be created with the name of switch 11 and switch 22. Now let's have a look about the backup configuration as well, which is here. And now if you can see, this playbook said that we need to take a configuration backup, and the connection method will be the network CLI. And once it has been executed, so very first task he need to collect the fact. It means that he need to log into all those devices which I mentioned in host section. He need to log in all the devices and collect the information from them. And then he will need to execute the task, which task says the configuration running backup switch to this particular task. It means we are currently in this folder etc ansible, and there is one folder is there. So all the configuration backup which has been taken with the name of switch 11 and switch 22 has been stored to this particular directory. We use the iOS module, and within this iOS config module, which take a further function that is called backup, which says yes. It means we are taking a backup of the device which we specified in host section. The file name are going to be configured which we specified in the inventory file, so that is switch 11 and switch 22, and the path will be etc ansible and the backup. So over there he need to copy the file and create two files over there with the show running config. So let's get validate. Let's get execute this file now, which is backup 01, and now it's started. So this is our switch as well. So if you have seen, its name is core 01, and the second switch is you also can validate its name is core 02 and core 01, but we can validate it. There is core 01 and core 02. And now in the task, in the playbook, if you can see, the playbook has been started, and very first task it has been collecting the fact which we written on top, that is true. So he successfully collected the fact. Now it start taking a backup, which is yes now, and perfect. It's took a backup of these two devices which is mentioning in the host file, and it says he recap section, it will show that switch 11 he did some changes and which is successfully done. Same is on second switch, successfully done on the changes. Now verify either we have changed it or we have the backup or no. Go to the backup directory and run the command ls. We can see we have the two file which is switch 11 and switch 22, and this is exactly the same file which we configured in our inventory file as well. Switch 11, switch 22. Now let's verify the contents. Either it is switch 11 contents or switch 22 contents. So the command is more and the name of the file, and as soon as we run, we can see the host name of the file is core01, and let's execute the switch 22 with the command of more switch 22, and now we can see it is host name is core02. So this is what we captured a backup ls. We can see all the switches. The same way we can use to take a backup of multiple devices. If in case of the further devices, I simply need to add some more devices with the same format and give some name switch 22, 23, 24 and put some IP address over there, and we are good. I guess this is the one which we require to do it now. So I hope this has been informative to you. Thank you very much.